Karaj Laban Sports Social and Cultural Organization RLSSCO mentakasngi satjan ke arhun nyauterik nailur arhajar arhusan kalayo ban penkup buram yaki saus pak saupusau ngut ki samla puli kathain South Shillong constituency ki balapas baha ki eksamen beper hakaba kalayo ru ban sam kumbah nyauteli ki laptop shaki samla puli ki balawan shakmat haki jing puli jongki. Yaki kusnam bat yaki laptop la sam da usembut Menteri Rangba kejela ubak Preston Tensong ha kejingnya dan lang Menteri Ketenat Arts and Culture ubak Sanbor Shulai ubaderu MLA ke South Shillong constituency ki principal ki nong yalam shnong bat ki samla puli. Habakren hakani kesengi ubak Preston ulayero ya kesenjam bakarat laban kasyim hapok kejingelam ubak Sanbor ban penkup buram yakini ki samla puli kenang bakan nang ai mensim syuk yaki bandek bha haki jing puli. Ula ongru baka literacy rate jong ka Meghalaya kadai tang hapadeng kandai puwe persen bat kandai pu persen namar kata don kam ban kentiu syuk yaka puli puthi jong ka Meghalaya. Syuk ula ong baka Sorkar jela kaya lek ban Trei bha nak benta ka Jingkynthoh ki pat ba bat jong ka jela hi Baroh kawe Hynrei ki pat ba kilap mi tang ban keno ya ka Sorkar la daja kanu ka jingja Hynrei ka Sorkar kam Sngap ya kita ki Jingkynthoh bat kanang yai Trei syuk nak benta ka Myntoi lang jong ki pat ba. Nakaliang Menteri Ketenat Arts and Culture ubak Sanbor Shulai ubaderu MLA ke South Shillong constituency haka jingkren ukentu yaki samla puli bantet nang Trei shitom syuk nang bakin yo ket biang ya usop ke jingjab haki sngi ki bansawan.
Look here.
At the outset, I was shocked entering this hall. I never thought that the occasion today, invited by my colleague in the government, my colleague in the assembly, is such a wonderful, well-organized function. I think before I proceed further, the credit goes to Sanbor Shulai. I would also like to congratulate him for assuming the responsibility as part of the cabinet member in the government of Meghalaya. On the 16th evening, I remember this month, we had the oath-taking ceremony in Rajbhavan. And Sanbor, being your local MLA, he has done a good job. That's why he deserves this responsibility to serve not only your constituency, but to serve the state as a whole. With your blessing, he is as he is today, and I would request all of you to further extend your blessing, your prayers upon him so that he can further give the best services in his journey as a politician. Friends, and especially the students who are supposed to receive this special recognition done by the organization. I think you don't want to prolong anymore because you would like to see this important gift which is lying before all of you. But let me tell you one thing. The initiative taken by the organization under the leadership of the President, the executive members, I think has really increased the motivation to all the students of the Shillong South constituency. I just asked Basanbor, is there any trend of increasing or decreasing the outcome of the examination, different examinations that we have annually? And he said, Song, the trend is very good, very positive. It keeps increasing. 444 students, this is not a joke. Only from your constituency alone. We have 60 constituencies. I don't know my constituency how many Hynreis we have. But I wish I should also follow your footsteps. And if 60 constituencies into by 444, I think you are all expert in calculation. You do it. Within 5 years' time, I think our literacy rate should have been 100%. But I think you are all aware that the literacy rate that we have right now, it is still not that satisfactory. 91, 92%, yeah. And our target, by 2028, we should reach the destination of 100%. So I salute Basanbor Shulai for this important program, because this message goes down not only to the students alone, but it goes down to the parents, to the community. We really need to encourage them. We have here all important dignitaries, I don't want to name, including the traditional heads, the Rambashnu. My only message for today's function is, let us, all of us, take the responsibility of building up a better Meghalaya. Let us build up a better Meghalaya. Some people say, if anything unfortunate incident happen, people used to say, it's government failure. They know only to pinpoint the government. Prastotan Song is useless home minister. The criminal activities keep increasing in Shillong. But let me tell you one thing. I would like to place it on record. Our police force did a tremendous job. We keep doing that and we try to do the best. But my sharing with all of you is, let us, all of us, share the responsibility. Few incidents happened. I think within 1 month or maybe 2 months back. There were incidents which ultimately we said, it never happened in Meghalaya. But what happened? At the end of the entire process of investigation, we found out that it was fake. is very unfortunate. It was fake. 3-4 cases happened that way. So I would call upon all the parents, you are just like a temple in your own sweet home. Please remember that. Being a father, it is my bounden duty to give the best education to my children. Being a parent, we need to take this responsibility, and we don't have to transfer the responsibility to others. My young children, as rightly mentioned by disruptive education, I would also like to add those toppers
and to share each and every one to share the state, our beloved state Mega. So thank you so much, sir. I would like also to express my sincere thanks to all our beloved, respected principal, vice principal, student, teachers of various institutions who have present here today, and also to all my friends, respected Rambashnam, Sketchishnam, and all members present here who are the leaders of traditional institutions, and also all the invitees, dignitaries, and the parents, the guardians, the relatives of all the awardees of today, and especially all the students who are the awardees who will be receiving this award today. And the committee has also categorized few categories, and there will be about 5 to 6 categories where laptop will be given to all the toppers of all the categories. That will be happen after the end of this award. I would like also to express my sincere thanks to our friends from the electric media and the printing press who have spared their valuable time to cover this program. Thank you so much. And I would like also to express my sincere thanks to all the staff and members of the art and culture who have extended all their possible help towards this program. And I would like to request also on behalf of the organization and on behalf of you, please do remain till the end of the program, because after the award, distribution of laptop to all the toppers will be done after the award, which will be followed by lucky draw. So we request all the awardees, when you come forward to the stage to receive your award, don't forget to drop your lucky coupon in this box here, red box. Okay? So I will end my speech with these 2 words. Here you have seen the message of the organization. Look at the left, teacher. Teacher is like a candle. It consumes itself to light the way for others. That is the message of our teachers. Looking at my right side, student. Education is not preparation for life. Education is life itself. And we are also given a message regarding drugs. As a government, we appeal and request to each and every one of you to please come forward and cooperate with the government as to enable us to work as a team, as a family, to eradicate the drugs menace, the drugs trafficking. So with this work, with these few words, once again on behalf of the organization and on behalf of our government, the MDA too, we wish all the students a brighter future and wish you all the best. God bless you all. Thank you. Kublai Methala Jai.